Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help how to study for Canadian DAT Easy Guide. Start by building a realistic weekly plan that balances review and timed practice exams. Break study into 50-minute focus sessions with 10-minute breaks, and use flashcards for active recall. Review mistakes immediately, track progress with simple charts, and adjust time spent on weaker topics to improve efficiently and avoid last-minute cramming. Use targeted techniques to make study time much more efficient and less stressful. Alternate focused reading, active note-making, and retrieval practice instead of passive rereading. Simulate exam conditions with timed practice tests and analyze errors to target reviews. Use spaced repetition for key facts and explain problems allowed to reinforce understanding. Make small measurable goals each week and celebrate steady improvement to keep motivation high throughout your preparation. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers to keep lunches tidy and stress-free during long study sessions. They stack well, save time, and prevent messes in backpacks. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider grabbing a set to simplify study day meals. Now let's get back to the video. In the final days before the exam, refine routines and shave off small inefficiencies to feel confident on test day. Do a full simulated exam under realistic timing, review only problem areas, and avoid cramming new topics. Pack essentials like ID, snacks, and any allowed tools the night before. Sleep well, hydrate, and use simple breathing techniques during breaks to maintain calm and clear thinking throughout the exam.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.